What is Illyria? What exactly is Illyria? This ancient region has a fascinating history that intertwines with the broader narrative of Southeast Europe. Illyria was located in the western Balkan peninsula, covering parts of what we now know as Albania, Montenegro, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, and Slovenia. The area was inhabited by Indo-European tribes called the Illyrians, who settled there around the 10th century before Common Era. These tribes formed a collection of independent groups and small kingdoms that thrived until the Roman conquest in the 2nd century before Common Era. The last king of Illyria, Gentius, faced defeat at the hands of the Romans in 168 before Common Era. Following this, Illyria became a Roman province known as Illyricum. This province stretched from the Drine River in Albania to Istria in Croatia, reaching up to the Sava River in the north. Under Roman rule, the administrative center shifted from Skadra, which is present-day Shkodër in Albania, to Salona, located near modern Split in Croatia. During the Roman era, Illyria experienced economic growth. The region exported wine, olive oil, and metals such as silver and copper. Its ports served as vital links between Italy and Eastern Europe. Roman infrastructure, including roads, helped integrate Illyria into the vast Roman Empire. After the division of Rome, the ecclesiastical ties of Illyria fluctuated between Rome and Constantinople. Local bishops sometimes asserted independence, but they eventually aligned with the papacy in the 6th century and later fell under Byzantine influence. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we see the emergence of the Illyrian Movement. This movement was primarily driven by South Slavic intellectuals in Croatia. Though it borrowed its name from the ancient region, it was more about cultural and political unity among South Slavs, including Croats, Serbs, and Slovenes. The movement aimed to resist the cultural dominance of Hungary and Germany. Advocates worked to standardize the Croatian language and literature, promoting a sense of regional unity. While the Illyrian movement did not revive the political structures of ancient Illyria, it used the name to evoke a shared pan-Slavic heritage. This movement significantly influenced later nationalist movements across the Balkans. Its focus on linguistic and cultural unity laid the groundwork for the ideologies that emerged in the 20th century, particularly those surrounding Yugoslavia. Today, references to Illyria occasionally surface in discussions about regional identity in Southeast Europe. However, modern nations tend to prioritize their distinct national histories over ancient tribal affiliations. The legacy of the Illyrian movement can still be seen in Croatia's cultural institutions and language reforms. This illustrates how historical symbols can be repurposed to shape collective identity in the present day. Understanding Illyria and the Illyrian movement reveals how the identities in Southeast Europe are layered, blending ancient history with modern nationalism. The movement serves as a reminder of how regional actors can use historical narratives to assert cultural autonomy and resist external pressures.